Hope everyone, I'm giving some coloring with this. You are able to think at least little bit, if not everything. The inclined plane. So along the inclined plane, if you resolve G, how much you'll get? G sine theta. So G sine theta should act, and G cos 37, G cos theta should be perpendicular. Here only I'll show it. G sine theta, G cos theta. Okay. So G cos theta will be perpendicular to the plane. G cos theta will be, this is the, what is this yellow color? Inclined plane. How is the groove? Don't show the block, just only show the groove like this. The groove AB will be like this. Then we'll bring the groove later on. So this AB. Now this angle is, with the inclined plane, this angle is what? 53 degrees. This angle will be 53 degrees. Tell me, what is the component of force that is acting along the surface 1? G sine theta cos 53 degrees. Then G sine theta sine 53 degrees will be perpendicular. So if I resolve this, if you are able to imagine, all this not needed. Now you resolve this G. G sine theta sine 53 degrees. No. So that if you multiply m to this, I think that component of mg sin theta perpendicular to the 2 will be acting. So the block, what are the forces the block will experience? We'll bring the block here now. This mg sin theta sin 53 degrees will press the block against this surface 2. I to show it will be in contact, and okay, this is the 2. So the how n normal contact will be like this, whereas mg sin theta 53 degrees will act in this direction. This normal contact n2 I'll call. The weight mg will act into the plane and we'll get one more normal contact, and that is n1. And how n1 will act? Perpendicular to the plane. So what is n1? We should take it. n1 should be n1 minus mg cos theta equal to 0. n2 minus equal to 0. Then how the friction forces should act? Friction forces should act at F1 and F2. And what is the component of force that will act in this direction? mg sin theta cos 53 degrees, and it will have acceleration A. Okay, let's calculate MA. MA equal to mg sin theta cos 53 degrees minus F1 minus F2. What is this? This will be mu n1, mu n2. This is sine 37 degrees cos 53 degrees. Mu n1 is mg cos theta cos 37. Mu n2 is mg. Solve for, you'll get acceleration. Then what is the length AB is given? AB is equal to a TAB square by 2. Get expression for acceleration, substitute AB and A, then we get the TAB. 1 second, answer will come, check later on.
Sir, in this also it will be not in contact with the third
With the
surface.
three, yeah, because nobody is there to push it again, no?
Yes.
I think we should minutely make observation, that's all, nothing is there. Once you get the things correct, so block is not in contact. Block is not in contact with wall 3. Okay, make observation, I'll scroll down.
1 second is answer, sir.
Yeah.